In the silence of soil, a forgotten sanctuary slept for 2 centuries. Founded in 1776 by enslaved and free black worshipers, First Baptist was a voice of freedom whispered in chains. For generations, voices were hushed, their sanctuary dismantled, their graves buried in shadows. In 2021, the earth gave up its memory, 62 forgotten graves, and the church's foundation. On Juneteenth 2025, they began to rebuild, not just a church, but a testimony. Faith outlived fire. Hope broke through brick. Memory sang louder than silence. This sacred ground now bridges generations, from the enslaved to the dreaming. Their voices echo again, stone by stone. Let history ring.